Alright guys, I'm riding my bike with my GoPro on. Look how good this looks. Oh, that's my little brother. Hold on, let me gain some speed, you know. Oh, I can't touch the leaves, sadly. On your left. All right, it's gonna break a little bit. We're gonna go over to those trees. I don't know if you can see my hand. Over to those trees. The sun looks amazing right now, and the temperature's so good. Going over those trees because there's like a park thing. There's my dad. All right. So we're gonna go down here into the road. Let's go, Heather. All right. This is the first time I've ever made a video, meanwhile recording, because I haven't had any of the equipment, and now I have a head strap, a body strap. I think that's called a chest strap, I think. I'm not sure. So there'll be this time, which is basically the introduction. Like, you can see how it looks, and then there will be gotta squat. All right, second round, whenever I'm going back home. Oh, well, yeah, it'll be more like a time-lapse thing. Well, not really, but I'm gonna actually how do I say this? Like, nobody, I don't know if you can hear the music in the background. I hope you can. This is kind of like a dose through nature, because I know some of y'all need it. And yes, I'm looking at you, leader of GG Crew. I know you watch my videos. I'm in GG Crew. I like to go do this, watch. Look at that beautiful sun. I like doing this. This feels super comfortable. Anyways, there'll be like a voiceover or something. I made it to my location, so I'll see you on the next part. Don't click off this video. I hope you guys liked the first part of this video. It took very long in order to make it, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, on to the next part. Okay guys, I decided I kind of want like a walk through nature, so that's what we're doing. Look at that shadow. Can you see my hands, both of them? Yeah, that was a huge problem. Hi, Edward. Oh, you got a rock? Can I throw it? No. Oh, there's no water, Edward. Is there? Yeah, there's no water. The lake dried out. I think it evaporated because... Evaporate? Evaporated. Look at all those big rocks. You see the dog? Hello?
Oh, they got the video going.
Yeah. That guy's chill. Look at the sun right there. It's kind of hard for my eyes, but looks so good. See, at fall, it's really nice outside during like 6, 7 o'clock, maybe 5 if you're lucky. Look at that big branch. Oh crap. I like climbing trees, by the way. I just like this spot in general. Look at this. I do gotta be careful because I scraped my knee like yesterday. Heather, can I see that? Look, can I see it? I want to do something. Can I touch the top of this tree?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Be careful, don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it, Heather. I'm gonna readjust my hand.
Climb it.
Look at that.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Woo! Look how big this is. I can stand up and it's still big.
Yo, let's
Ow.
climb.
How am I gonna get down this?
Let's climb the tree. Go.
All right, go. Look at my, come on, Heather, you can do this. I'm gonna get you with this big tree. Look at how big this branch is. Like I'm standing up normally and it gets all the way up there. Oh, I almost tripped. There's also this tree I like to climb. Well, there's one over there. I don't know if you saw that. I like to climb this tree. I just can't make it as high. That one is perfect for climbing because, you know, it's kind of like a ramp, right? And then it's got this little, can you get down? I don't want to hurt you meanwhile I'm doing this demonstration. Like there's this little spot, that little crack, and you can like sit down there, readjust your foot, because you can hold on to the branch. It's really steady. And then this one, it's not that good because it is kind of like that, but there's nothing to hold on unless you get up here. And it's kind of hard to get down, and plus it's way more elevated than that tree. So if you do end up falling, it's gonna hurt a lot. I see some people over there. All right. I can get up there too, Heather. You wanna hold the stick?
I can't get out.
Yes, you can, Heather.
Stuck in the tree.
It's not that hard. Come on, get down. All right. That kid's got a toy car. That's nice. Come on, get down. I want to climb it.
Yes.
All right. My dad's to the rescue.
Thank you for saving me.
Look at this. You can use it as a rake, you know, like. All right, Heather, do you want the big stick?
Yeah.
Here, the big stick. Let me just climb here. Let's go. I'm at the top of the world. Whoa, that's pointy. I don't like it. I still don't know what that yellow thing is. Is that pollen or something? I've been wondering that since like, oh, you broke it? Let me see that part. I want it. No, I want this one. I want the girthy part. I kind of like breaking the sticks I find here, like in tiny little pieces. I don't do this, I do this. Hey, GJ Crew Leader. I know, I've mentioned him like twice already. Would this count as a Fortnite pickaxe though? Like, I feel like if you do like this, you can use this as a Fortnite pickaxe. Yo. Oh, hold on, it looks like a dragon. Hold on. Cause look, here's the head, here's the body and the like wings and stuff, and then here's the tail. Like, look at that.
Huh? A foot?
It's not footsteps, it's like a trail. Someone must have had like a four-wheeler. You know, the bikes? Is that the name of it? Oh, Heather, look at this stick. Look at these sticks.
Mine.
I want the big sticks. You could take the little one over there. A stick. Where's that dog at?
I'll show you.
Ooh.
Look, we're back.
You guys, look at my new arms.
Mine.
I'm replacing my normal arms with these sticks.
Another thing. Cool, you know?
I'm trying to meet someone with a prosthetic arm because it's like so cool. Like, I'm happy I have my own arm, but you can like customize it with your own colors. You can like, they somehow find a way to like connect your nerve system to the prosthetic. So if you want to like close your fist, you can do that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, what? I did not know that hole was that big. Hold on, let me see something. Look at that. Oh,
You got it?
got it. All right, just be careful there now. Yo, if anyone that's near me, be careful with that. Oh, and if you do find it, make sure to take a picture of it and like make a video and tag me in it so I can see it. I really want to see someone else looking at that. Is that normal? Is that tree supposed to fall down or be cut down? I don't know. All right, I think I'm gonna go back home. Let's go. Yo, I can feel the wind. It's awesome. This, what was my little brother like? Zigzag. No, this has been really nice. I really like going at these calm parks because it kind of like feels nice. And definitely in fall or autumn or whatever you want to call it, it's beautiful here. Shortcut time. I'm not gonna pedal much. All right, let's go. Oh crap. Oh. Heather, be careful. Whoa.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Ah. Go. It's like a power boost. Oh, oh, that's rough. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Home stretch. All right, I'm ending the video here because I don't want you seeing my house number. So bye guys.